In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Behance profile or project URL for sharing or embedding. Whether you're looking to showcase your entire portfolio or just a specific project, having the correct URL can make sharing your work online so much easier. Let's start by locating and copying your Behance profile URL. First, log into Behance using a desktop browser. Once you're signed in, head to the top right corner of the page where you'll spot your profile picture. Give it a click, and a small menu will drop down. From the menu, select View Profile. This will take you straight to your personal Behance profile page. Now, up in the address bar, you'll see your profile URL, which will look something like this: www.behance.net, followed by your unique username. This URL is your digital business card on Behance. You can click on the address bar to highlight it and then copy the URL. This link is perfect for sharing on your resume, social media profiles, email signatures, or anywhere else where you want to promote your creative work. Next, let's move on to copying a specific Behance project URL. This is very helpful if you want to highlight just one particular piece of work. Start by opening the project page you want to share. Once you're on that project page, head to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll find the URL, which typically looks like a combination of numbers or words following this format: Behance.net gallery, followed by a series of numbers and your project title. Copy this URL directly from the address bar. This is the link you'll use if you wish to share that specific project prominently. But what if your project is exclusive or perhaps a little more sensitive, and you want only a selective audience to be able to view it? For such cases, there's a feature available for Behance Pro users, offering even more controlled sharing. Navigate back to your profile. Scroll through your projects until you find the thumbnail of the project you intend to share selectively. Hover over that specific project thumbnail. You'll notice a small drop-down menu appear. Give it a click and select the option that says Copy Link. This creates a link-only sharing option, or for password-protected projects, ensuring that only those with the link can view your project. This option is ideal when you want your work to be seen by a specific audience with enhanced privacy and control. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the know-how to share both your entire portfolio and specific projects with the world, or a thoughtful selection of viewers. Make sure to utilize these URLs effectively across your professional profiles and personal connections to maximize your portfolio's reach. Don't forget to keep your URLs handy for any future networking or portfolio presentations. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.